guys, what is back to my channel? So yeah, Animal Company had another update, which is a 99 Nights update.
Bro, he needs to stop coming back.
Hey bro, what did we just make, bro? Like, I know I'm starting off the video kind of random, but bro, you know I'm not wrong, bro. Hurry up, because I don't want the fire to die, because I think this is like actually the biggest fire ever.
I don't even know what killed me.
Because the guy was whispering to you.
He's always whispering to me. Stop hitting my trees.
Ooh.
Bro, you really killed me.
Bro!
If I die one more time, I'm leaving.
Crash out.
No, I'm just leaving.
Yo, I always hit you. Alright, chat. Let's keep this fire breathing. More wood now! No, more wood!
Kaden, that's too big.
Well, but it needs to be bigger. There's no limit. This thing's gonna be the size of the freaking map, bro. Bet that, not bet that. Ah, help me die! Yeah, bro, how is he not dead? That fire is so big. Bro, how is he not dead? He's literally walking in the world's biggest fire right now.
I don't know. What the heck is killing me? Kaden, I need you to revive me.
No, it's because the drill that you're using can take damage from you if it gets too close. Alright, yo, keep the fire breathing. Yo, keep the fire breathing, bro. I'll be right back. Okay, I gotta hurry up and do this because I just don't want to leave my friend hanging like that. So, I really gotta hurry up and get this from my inventory, like right now. I'm a real wood chopper now. Let's go, baby. I'm coming. I don't care if it's nighttime. I'm not scared of that. Because we got the world's biggest fire right here. Gonna need that. Get back over here. Yo, where are you? Are you still here?
I was telling the fire to breathe.
This is working, chat. Yo, cat, look.
Bro, I lost my drill. Yeah, I can't grab it.
What? Okay, hold up.
I can't grab it.
Yo, what am I grabbing onto?
Finally.
Wait. Yo, I think he might somehow just hit the max. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, gang. Yo, what am I hanging on to? Look up. Yo, what the heck? Hey, I'm a Brazilian spider. Okay, anyways, guys. I don't know if my friend can hear this, but I low-key think Jandale's gonna win just because he's better. So, yeah.
Well, Jandale's obviously gonna win.
For real, I'm on Team Jandale.
I know, bro, and then Brett, like, how was your one?
Bro, because I had checked, I had compared the people online, and there were 6 million more people online than Scylla Brainrot.
I know, bro, like, why is Seal Brain not even trying?
Literally 6 million more. You know how much that is? 6 million people are playing Roblox right now. Only on Gorilla Garden. Only. I swear that's the fastest way you can kill somebody because it just kills them so fast. Keep this fire breathing. Hey, hey.
Yo, bro, I'll collect the wood. I'll collect the wood and you do whatever. I'll also be getting wood.
Bro, then what am I gonna do?
You get the trees also. But
Wait, no, I collect food. I
wood
collect
from you.
food.
Yeah.
Get over here! Yep, you're not running away. You're just not running away. Give me food. Alright, who else are you gonna kill? We got our first bite of food. You next? You next? Snap them ankles. Yes! Who wanna get their ankles snapped? I see you. I'm not blind. Get over here. Because you're my dinner tonight. Get over here! Snap them ankles. Huss, 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 huss. Yes, sir. No cap. In 45 minutes, this would be tough for me to go to bed.
Okay.
Anyways, guys. Yeah. Yo, I got some food. You ate my food! You ate my food! Hey, yo. Oh, you can't get me now. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Oh, yeah, wait, no, stop. I'm gonna go to app. Stop. Alright, guys, see you in another video. Bye.